Some of you are at home playing Nintendo. You know you've got a little manual dexterity. But what we heard was Mike Rowe at a recent Caterpillar promo. And Mike Rowe's talking about, if you heard, is college everything right now? Is college the way to go? Is college in your destiny in terms of the jobs that are available? And these jobs, specifically as it relates to the automotive industry, we got a situation. And that situation is serious. We got a shortage. Now, you've probably heard about the shortage of nurses, but the shortage of automotive mechanics, automotive technicians is huge. The shocking truth of our past, the way we did things wrong, how we disrespected the mechanics, how we didn't train, how we didn't pay.
This is definitely a need in the community, a need in our country.
Did you know that 44 million people in the United States owe $1.2 trillion in student debt?
Serious and worrisome shortage of mechanics.